anyway guys, your memory will be right here. You have to be really careful removing it because it's very delicate. So I'll show you how to remove it. Alright, so just pull that out. First one. Alright guys, I dropped the camera. So pull the second one right there, like so. It will come out also that way. So you have to be very careful removing it. It's a little bit pain in the butt, but it should be okay. Do it with precision. It's a little bit harder. The second one is a little bit harder to remove, guys, but like I said, you have to be very careful because there's some microscopic chip that you don't want to mess with. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Right. There we go. Gotta do it very carefully. So we got it off. You guys can see right there. That's the second one. So right there. That's the old one. That's the 2 GB. And this is the new one. So there's a big difference of memories right there. Alright guys, so there you go. We're gonna install the new memory. So this should make it run faster, because we'll have more memory. Okay. Just make sure you put it in that little slot right there. Make sure it's all the way in. Right there. And then press down. You do the same way on the other one. Put all the way in. Make sure it's all the way in because that's how you will know and you don't chip any of the okay, here we go. Alright, so there you go. So now the new memory is installed. We're gonna try to run the system a little bit. Now I'm missing one screw. So all you have to do is put it back together and it'll be ready. So